Let us solve the very important question. Find the positive number which exceeds its square root by 20. एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. इसमें पूछा गया है कि एक ऐसा पॉजिटिव नंबर बताइए जो अपने स्क्वायर रूट से 20 ज़्यादा है. Let us suppose the number is x. Now according to question, see, try to understand. We convert this word problem to the mathematical expression. The question, it is given that the number positive is 20 exceed by its square root. इसको समझिए, जो इसमें दिया है वर्ड प्रॉब्लम को हमने मैथमेटिकली कन्वर्ट कर दिया है. ये नंबर अपने स्क्वायर रूट से 20 ज़्यादा है. We should fit all the numbers on left hand side, right hand side is equal to 0. Now let us suppose root x is y. Squaring both sides, then x will be y square. Now let us put instead of the x y square, instead of the root x y minus 20 is equal to 0. Now it becomes the quadratic equation. Let us solve this. I am using this portion to solve because there is not enough space. See, this is a quadratic equation. Let us split this middle term. Instead of the y, I return the minus 5y plus 4y. See, multiplication of the 5, 4, 20. That is the first and last 20. And this subtraction will give us minus y. Now this pair, and in this pair, we will take the y common. And here the 4 common. And whole expression y minus 5 is common. One by one, let us put this is equal to 0. Y minus 5 is equal to 0 will give us y is equal to 5. And y plus 4 is equal to 0 will give us y is equal to minus 4. So we will reject this negative. We will consider y is equal to 5. Now let us come to the x. We will initially suppose root x is y. So in place of this y, we will put 5. To get the x, let us square this side in both. So x will 25. So initially we suppose our number is x. Therefore the answer is 25. हमने शुरू में x को सपोज किया था नंबर, तो इसलिए आंसर हमारा आ गया 25. Now let us verify the answer. The number exceed square root by 20. This was the condition. Now x is 25, root 25 plus 20. So 25 is equal to 5. Under root 25 is 5 plus 20. So 25 is equal to 25. This is verified.